गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। जी पैट रिवीजन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो माइक्रोबायोलॉजी से है और ये पार्ट 3 है। पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 1 जो है वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए इसे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। 61 क्वेश्चन नंबर, द फ्लोइंग ड्रग एक्ट्स बाय इनहिबिटिंग सेल वॉल सिंथेसिस ऑफ द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स। ए जेंटामाइसिन, बी सिफोरक्सिम, सी एम्फोटेरिसिन बी या टी एरिथ्रोमाइसिन। विच वन आंसर? द आंसर इज बी सिफोरक्सिम. Okay. Next is 62 question number. All options are true for Mantox test except A. It involves injecting PPD यानी कि purified protein derivative intradermally. Okay. B is more sensitive than the time test. C. It becomes positive within 3 weeks of acquiring tuberculosis. Okay. Next, D. It involves CD4 cells. Which one answer? The answer is C. It becomes positive within 3 weeks of acquiring tuberculosis. Okay. Next is 63 question number. The following are true about Pseudomonas aeruginosa except A. It is a gram-negative bacteria. B. It can cause osteomyelitis. C. It is sensitive to chloramphenicol. D. It is sensitive to ciprofloxacin. Okay. Which one answer? The answer is C. It is sensitive to chloramphenicol. Okay. Next is 64 question number. 64. All are true with Staphylococcus aureus except A. is sensitive to fusidic acid. B. is resistant to phagocytosis by neutrophils. C. it produces exotoxins. T. it the sorry is the most common cause of carbuncle. Which one answer? The answer is B. is resistant to phagocytosis by neutrophils. Okay. Next is 65 question number. Causative organism for syphilis is blank. A. Clostridium tetanium. B. Bacillus pertussis. C. Treponema pallidum. D. Vibrio cholera. Which one answer? The answer is C. Treponema pallidum. Okay. Next is 66 question number. 66 question number. With regard to antibiotics, which sentence is not correct? इसमें से जो सेंटेंस है वो करेक्ट कौन सा नहीं है? ए. वैंकोमाइसिन एंड पेनिसिलिन inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis through the same mechanism. B. Vancomycin is poorly absorbed from the gut. C. Metronidazole cross the blood-brain barrier readily. And D is sulfonamide crosses the blood-brain readily. The blood-brain barrier readily. Which one answer? The answer is A. Vancomycin and penicillin inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis through the same mechanisms. Okay. Next is 67 question number. 67 question number. The following are true about disinfectants that can be used effectively for skin. A. Glutra glutaraldehyde, B chlorhexidine, C ethyl alcohol with povidone iodine, D B and C both. Which one answer? The answer is D both B and C, यानी कि B is chlorhexidine and C is ethyl alcohol with povidone iodine. Okay. Next is 68 question number. Viral with oncogenic property in humans include the following except A. Measles virus, B. Hepatitis B virus, C. Papovirus, या D. Epstein Barr virus. Which one answer? The answer is Measles virus. Okay. Next is 69 question number. Antibiotic that inhibit cell wall synthesis include except A. Cefuroxime, B. Erythromycin, C. Vancomycin, या D. Benzyl penicillin. Which one answer? The answer is B. Erythromycin. Okay. Next is 70 question number. Aminoglycosides A. act on bacterial cell wall, B. are useful against anaerobes, C. should not be used in patient with renal failure, या D. damage the cochlear nerve. Which one answer? The answer is D. damage the cochlear nerve. Okay. Next is 71 question number. With regard to interferons, all are true except A. they are produced by B. lymphocytes, या B. IFN alpha is produced by cells infected with virus, C. IFN alpha increases MCH class first and second expression in antigen presenting cell, या T. they have anti-tumor activity. Which one answer? The answer is A. they are produced by B. lymphocytes. Okay. Next is 72 question number. False option in case of Clostridium tetani is that it A. cause gas gangrene, B. produce an exotoxin, C. has a terminal spore, T. is an obligatory anaerobes. Which one answer? The answer is A. cause gas gangrene. Okay. Next is 73 question number. Staphylococcus aureus is sensitive to A. vancomycin, B. cefuroxime, C. clindamycin, या D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D. all of the above, यानी कि vancomycin, cefuroxime या और clindamycin. Okay. Next is 74 question number. Viral test is for A. VDRL test, या B. CAN test, या C. AIDS, या D. typhoids. Which one answer? The answer is D. typhoid. Okay. Next is 75 question number. Diphtheria is caused by blank. A. bacteria, B. viral, C. both A and B, and D. none of the above, या ऊपर का कोई भी नहीं. Which one answer? The answer is A. bacteria. Okay. Next is 76 question number. Polio caused by blank. A. bacteria, B. virus, या C. both A and B, and D. none of the above. Which one answer? The answer is B. Okay. Polio is caused by virus. Okay. Next is 77 question number. BCG is blank type of vaccine. A. live, या B सब यूनिट, या C killed, या D all. Which one answer? The answer is A live. Okay. Next 78 question number. Sabin is blank type of vaccine. A live type, या B सब यूनिट टाइप, या C killed, या D all. Which one answer? The answer is A live. Okay. Next 79 question number. Toxoid are used for A tuberculosis, B typhoid, या C enteric fever, या D diphtheria. Which one answer? The answer is D diphtheria. Okay. Next 80 question number. Bacillus subtilis is used in assay of blank antibiotics. A kanamycin, B rifampicin, C streptomycin, या D all. Which one answer? The answer is D all. Okay. Next is 81 question number. Bacillus cereus is used in assay of blank antibiotic. A kanamycin, B rifampicin, या C streptomycin, या D tetracycline. Which one answer? The answer is D tetracycline. Okay. Next 82 question number. Staphylococcus aureus is used in assay of blank antibiotic. A kanamycin sulfate, B doxycycline, C cephalexin, या D all. Which one answer? The answer is D all. ऊपर का सभी. Okay. Next 83 question number. E. coli is used in assay of carbapenicillin, या B chloramphenicol, या C gentamicin, या D nystatin. Which one answer? The answer is B chloramphenicol. Okay. Next is 84 question number. Autotrophs are bacteria that A derive energy from sunlight, B derive energy from by chemical reaction, C synthesis all their organic component, या D do not synthesize their organic components. Which one answer? The answer is C synthesis all their organic components. Okay. Next is 85 question number. Presence of tuberculosis in human is detected by blank test. A amidase test, B Niacin test, या C catalase peroxidase test, या D all. Which one answer? The answer is D all. Okay. यानी कि ऊपर का सभी. Next 86 question number. Presence of leprosy in human is detected by blank test. A lepromin test, B Niacin test, या C catalase peroxidase test, या D all. Which one answer? The answer is A lepromin test. Okay. Next 87 question number. Smallpox vaccine contain A inactivated or killed virus, B living virus of vaccine, yes, C sterile preparation of killed or fixed virus of rabies in only dried form, a T sterile suspension of killed typhoid bacilli. Which one answer? The answer is B living virus of vaccine. Okay. Next is 88 question number. Poliovirus is stored at A 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, B 5 degrees Celsius, C below 0 degrees Celsius, या D minus 10 degrees Celsius. Which one answer? The answer is D minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. 89 question number. Chocolate agar is made from A mineral salt solution glycerol folate, B nutrient broth and agar 2 to 3%, C nutrient agar and 5 to 10% sheep blood horse blood, and D peptone water plus agar while salt 0.5% lactose plus 1% neutral red. The answer is C nutrient agar and 5 to 10% sheep blood horse blood. Okay. Next 90 question number. Bacillus subtilis suspension is stored at less than 4 degrees Celsius for a 1 week, B 2 week, C 3 months, or D 6 months. Which months and weeks is answer? The answer is D 6 month. Okay. Next, thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe my channel. चलिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में